I built a real estate photo business that does a lot of shoots every day. These are 2 days from this week printed out, like 15, 20 shoots per day. And the reason I'm telling you that is because that's just in one market in Texas, the market that my business serves. And there is so much opportunity all over the place to build a business. I'm not saying it's gonna be instantly a business that does this many shoots in a day, but you can start working towards that, whether you just wanna go full-time yourself or build a team. Whatever you wanna do, you can do it. You just have to start by taking the first step. And if you wanna learn from someone who's done everything the hard way to get here, that's me. I highly encourage you to comment the word workshop below, and my team will send you access to a 1-hour workshop that I put together that goes over what I wish I would have known when my schedule looked nothing like this. In fact, when my schedule had nothing on it, that would have helped me build my business faster and with much less mistakes than I did. So make some time, comment workshop below, watch this, invest 1 hour and see what it does. It will give you the roadmap that I use to build this, and it's worth an hour of your time. So comment workshop, I'll see you there.